Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today topic of discussion is how to withdraw cash using Payoneer. I will be withdrawing from Payoneer to my bank account. Make sure you follow me. Stick to the end of the video recording. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. The very first thing that we can see here in Payoneer, we can see there is available $169.7. Yeah, which had been pending. In upcoming, there is nothing to see right now because there's no cash that has been held. I can see on 24th December, a Boost company has sent me $150 and $149. So we'll follow step one, how to withdraw. Yeah, so we'll be withdrawing them to my linked bank account. So step number one that we'll do is we click withdraw. We come to withdraw platform to bank account. Withdraw will come withdraw the $169.7. Yeah, I'm withdrawing to my Cooperative Bank of Kenya. The amount that I'll be withdrawing $169.74 exactly the cash that is there. It tells me the minimum cash that you can withdraw with Payoneer is $50 and the maximum you can draw is $10,000. Description: reason that I'm withdrawing this cash was payment from an online store for editing services on their website. Content contribution of articles and blogs. So I think that will be, we have to indicate the reason that for the payment, just to keep the data. Will come review so that we will be able to withdraw. Yeah, we can see withdraw to 0.938 is my ATM. Payoneer has shipped me a card that I'm able to withdraw with it. So I'll see withdraw details to my Cooperative Bank of Kenya. 1300 is the code number of the bank account. The amount is $169.7. The description of the payment from an online store for editing services on their website. Content contribution of articles and blogs. Exchange rate fee total exchange rate is today is quite low, is 98.73. so the total amount is 16,759. I'll come and click withdraw. When I click withdraw, I'll be able to have access. They tell me your funds are on the way. We'll send you a confirmation email shortly. Check that email for details when you funds reach your bank account. So I think now the cash has been withdrawn, because even if we come back to home, your funds are on the way. You can see the tick. When we come on the way, when we come back here, we can see that the dollars have now been withdrawn. So let us just refresh in case to confirm whether that transaction will be reflected in our Payoneer bank account. Okay, the transaction has not yet reflected. It has not reflected, but let us confirm from the email address. If the Payoneer have emailed me. Yes, I can see them saying that we have received a new payment of $52. So let us review. Let us confirm whether yeah. In very few seconds, I know Payoneer will send the email, a confirmation email, to confirm that the cash has been successfully withdrawn. it may take 10 to 15 hours, but at least you are familiar with how to withdraw cash with Payoneer. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We can see here it's $0, but the transaction has not yet reflected. So we'll go to activity, the transactions that Payoneer has transacted. Let us try to refresh the browser. We at least need all transactions. Okay, the last transaction was on 24th December, where they said the completion of $120 and $149. Yeah, let us refresh the email the last time and confirm if Payoneer will be confirming, has sent the confirmation email. But I know they'll be sending it very soon. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Thank you for sticking with me. Now that is the process of how to withdraw cash via Payoneer. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you. Goodbye.